Hi, and welcome back to another domino trick tutorial. This is B16, and today I will be teaching you how to build the skiing domino trick. After I posted the 50 insane domino tricks video, I've seen many comments in the comment section that say that people really loved the trick at 251, which is the skiing domino trick, and a lot of people also said that I should make a tutorial on it, so that's what I've decided to do. And before I get into this tutorial, please subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the like button also. Okay, so the first step is to take a few black dominoes, place them on their face, and you can use as many as you want, but the longer it is, the less reliable it gets, so I recommend around 10 to 15 this way. So right now I guess I'll do 10. Say 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then once you've done that, do the same exact thing, except skip this last domino here. Or you could do it here, but the slope's going to be like this. And, you are going to just lay them like this, except offset them just a tiny bit, like that, on top of each other black domino. I need to get a couple more black dominoes. So the first row I made is 10, and the second row should be 9. And then if you really want, you can use a template to flatten them out, because it makes it look better. And on the end over here, you should see just a slight difference between this domino and that domino. And that's good. And you're going to want to keep doing that throughout the trick. So get some more black dominoes, 8 in this case, and do the same exact thing over here, just a little bit more to the right than the previous one below that. Then do the same thing with these dominoes. So the first row it's going to be 10, then second row is 9, then 8, then 7, then 6, and then all the way until you get to 1. So I will skip myself building this section. Okay, I've just finished the staircase, and notice how at the end here they're making super steep steps. You want them to be offset, or else the green dominoes you put down next will not work as well. Okay, so once you have your staircase, however the length you want it, then take a green domino and place it roughly a domino's thickness away from that black domino. Like that. And then take another green domino, bridge it between the black domino and the green domino. And then take more green dominoes and keep bridging them between the black and green dominoes until you reach the top. Let's see, I better move that a little bit more. Okay then. Once you have done that, take another black domino and place it on these two green dominoes. So start by taking one of the edges, one of the shortest edges, like that, and taking the domino and placing it on the bottom of the two green dominoes, like that. Then you're just going to have to adjust it until it stays, and also make sure that the black domino is in the middle of this staircase. Okay, now once you've done that, take a yellow domino, place it on its face, just like that, and then take another yellow domino, lean it on that yellow domino, and push it up against the green domino, like that. Then take some more yellow dominoes and line them up, forming a domino run. Okay, now take two yellow dominoes, side to side, like that, and then lean them against two more yellow dominoes. Then now take two more yellow dominoes, and then one yellow domino, and then just continue the domino line. And that is how you build the skiing domino trick. Okay, so the way this will work is when I knock over this yellow domino, these dominoes will fall and hit that yellow domino right there, which will push out this green domino. And these green dominoes will all fall in a sonomod line going up the tower. And then when these two fall, it will trigger that one to fall and slide down and hit these yellow leaning dominoes. Okay, so let's hope this works. In 3, 2, 1. Oh. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.